Can we hide friends on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can hide our friends on Snapchat or not. So if you're also looking out on how to do that, let's just dive right into the video and find out. So for that, head over and open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're here, next you can just tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen and head over to profile piece. Once here, scroll down and look for Friends tab here, and you'll be finding your friends list here. So just go ahead and select up the friend that you want to hide, and once you reach here, you can go ahead and tap on the profile name, and after tapping on profile name, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top right corner. When you reach here, you'll be finding different settings available within the friendship profile. So what you can do is head over and click on manage friendship. So unfortunately, Snapchat does not have a direct hide option for friends, meaning you cannot completely hide a friend without removing them as a friend or blocking them. So for that, you can go ahead and block or remove them, and they should no longer be in friend list. Or otherwise, you can also manage up your privacy settings. Just go ahead and tap on three dot and go to privacy settings, and you can mute your story from them, and you can adjust story visibility and other privacy options to achieve a similar effect. So that is it for now. That is the only method we can apply up in order to hide them or make the interaction between each other less. So if this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips, and thank you for watching.